Hello, this video is about expanding cubic expressions. So you've done quadratics where you do this bit, but what do you get if you have 3 terms? It gets awfully complicated, and FOIL or whatever isn't really going to cut it. What I recommend you do is start with 2 brackets and treat them like a quadratic. So in this example, I'm ignoring this one. I'm just going to do x minus 4 times x plus 3. So I'll leave this alone, 3x plus 2, but I'm going to write it down because I always want what I write down to be a true representation of what went before. But this time, this bracket is going to be expanded. So if you do FOIL or whatever you do, you're going to end up with x squared minus 4x plus 3x, so minus x minus 12. Okay, next you're going to multiply each bit of this by both bits of that. So now you can kind of do a bit of a FOIL thing. So first of all, I'm looking for the cube terms, the biggest powers of x. So that's going to be 3x times x squared is going to be 3x cubed. Next, I'm going to look for the things that give me x squared. So I'm going to get 2x squared there, and I'm going to get minus 3x squared here. I'm going to run out of room. Never mind, it's going to be fine. Then I'm going to look for the things that give me the x. So I'm going to get 3x times 12 minus 36x. Okay, so that's that one. And I'm going to get minus 2x. And finally, I'm going to look for the things that give me numbers. So 2 times 12 minus 24. And that will all simplify in the end to give you 3x, squared, fine, 3x cubed, apologies. And we're going to get minus x squared, and then minus 38x minus 24. Wasn't that fun? Okay, same thing here. We got an all squared expansion, so I'm going to do that bit first for sure. X plus 1, leaving you well alone. And here we're going to get x squared minus 2x, so minus 4x plus 4. And now I'm going to multiply it all out. So first, collecting the cubic terms, we're going to get just 1x cubed. Now collecting the squared terms, we should get 2 of these terms, I think. 1x squared minus 4x squared. I'm just going to add them together now. It gives me minus 3x squared. Next, the x terms, we should get a couple of them as well. So we're going to get minus 4x plus 4x. Oh wow, they just disappeared. Fine. And then we're going to get the whole number terms, 1 times 4 plus 4. Hey, that wasn't so bad actually. Doing a little bit in your head, risky. When you're used to it, do it because it saves a lot of time and ink. But there we go. I hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching.